Good morning, everyone. When people ask me what school I go to, they expect me to talk about textbooks and grades. But if I only talk about these things, I would be leaving the best part of my day. I'm here to tell you why our school system isn't just a place where we have to go, but a place where we actually grow.
Hey viewers, let me talk about academic culture first. When we talk about a school, we often point towards its buildings, its trophies, or its results. But the true soul of an institution lies within its academic culture. It is an invisible string that not only just determines what we learn, but how we think, how we question, and how we grow. And such a brilliant academic culture is the foundation of Buddha Public School.
But a brain needs a body and a soul to thrive. That's where a whole student or a complete student approach comes in. Our system balances the rigors of the classroom with the energy of field and the creativity of stage. Between the sport leagues, the art programs, and the various clubs, our school ensures that every student finds their tribe. This balance is what keeps us from burning out. It teaches us time management and resilience in a way a textbook never could. Hello, my beloved audience. Our school's co-curricular program isn't just an extra. It is the bridge between theory and reality. Well, let's talk about our laboratories where curiosity meets discovery. In our science and computer labs, students stop being spectators and start being explorers. It is here that a complex formula on the whiteboard becomes a tangible reaction in a test tubes. These labs teach us more than biology or chemistry. They teach us scientific method, the patience to fail, the courage to question, and the thrill of discovery.
Most people think science is just a subject in a book. They think it's about memorizing formulas and drawing diagrams. But when you take a step through these doors, you'll realize it's something else entirely. Our science lab is the only place in the school where breaking things is a part of the process. It's a place for the curious. It's a place where we stop asking what if and start answering what happens. From the microscopic world to the laws of the physics that move the planets, we have the tools to help you see the invisible. Whether you want to cure diseases, build the next energy source, or just understand how the world works, your journey starts here. My lovely audience, when we think about future, what do we think? We think technology, medicine, or some complex equation. But what if I tell you that the foundation of every great society and the heartbeat of shared human experience is the humanities? Choosing a humanities stream isn't about learning past, but the present and designing a better future. Here in the humanities section of Buddha Public School, where we learn to become the leaders of tomorrow.
They say all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. But looking onto the energy on this field today, I don't think there is a single dull person in sight. Scores aren't just about who crosses the finishing line first or who scores the most goals. It's about the moment when you're out of your breath, your legs are tired, but you keep running because your team is counting on you. It's about learning how to win with humility and how to lose with grace. Today, let's support each other and remember the trophy is temporary, but the memories of today will last forever. Let's make some noise and give it our all. And we learn it all in Buddha Public School.
In the science lab, you follow a formula to get a result. In the literary lab, you break the formula. This is a space where poems are not supposed to be memorized for an exam. It's a puzzle to be solved. It is a space where stories are storyboarded, podcasts are recorded, scripts are performed, and what ifs of the history are rewritten. Perhaps the most important part of our system is the safety net. At Buddha Public School, you aren't just a roll number. There is a culture of peer to peer support and accessible guidance. From counseling offices to the school council, the system is designed to catch you if you stumble. We celebrate each other's win and learn from each other's failures.